Catching some good flashes on video right now. A couple lightning bolts.
One for 13.
Larry's going to be dead by the time it's lightning's here.
Yeah, no kidding. These iPhones are terrible.
Yeah.
What?
What do you think you need to temper faster? You or Jana?
Oh, you missed a nice one.
Nice! Nice catch, Mikey! Oh yeah!
Thought you were going to second, didn't you?
Attaboy, Mike!
Got it on video, buddy!
Did you?
Oh yeah.
Really?
Oh yeah.
There was just a nice lightning between the
See, I
scoreboard
kind of
post
had
and
my
the other.
back.
Can't win ever.
I know. When you had it facing the field, there was a nice
Where
one
was
over
you
there.
at?
Say hi, Blue.
Where was you at?
3 for 28.
3 for 28.
Say hi, Blue.
Thank
He's an
you.
umpire.
How are you?
He's umpired Dad a lot.
Just call your game out.
That was a pretty one. You missed it. It's over there.
Everything's going on over there, and you're.
And then watch.
That was a nice red one over there.
See, I just caught
That
one.
playground light.
That lady is right there in the middle of the hole.
There's one.
These umpires are just looking for a reason to call.
Well, they get paid after you get 10 minutes.
Are you a what? Yes, you are. You have a drink?
Yeah!
You got a looker in there. He ain't gonna swing.
My little Timbit girl. No, Kathy, your number's 3.
3? That's a good number. Daddy's number is 33. 2 3.
And Brad is 13. Brad's birthday is... Oh, his birthday's close to yours. It's in between Parker's and yours.
I don't know, man. Just having a business. Possibly.
Oh, yay! Say go Bruins!
Oh, boo!
Hey,
Thank
hey.
you.
Yeah, boo.
Yay.
Excuse me.
Whoa! That's all right.
Hit the car.
In what century did the Beatles?
That's the second one that came like
You
this
kidding me?
close
I know, it's like,
to that exact car.
It's like a
Mr.
force
Ronnie,
field.
my darling, Bobby Orr was engaged to my best friend.
who's your best friend?
Her name was Paulette St. John, and she was beautiful. And he didn't marry her, she turned him down.
Nice.
But
He was a hometown boy, wasn't he? He hung around here a lot, didn't he? Bobby Orr?
Not here, it was in Toronto.
Oh, Toronto.
He was playing for Oshawa Generals then.
Whoa!
And my husband, my first husband, not Bill, but my first husband, Coach Brad Park.
Oh, Brad Park, yeah, another Bruin.
Oh, yummy.
Hey, we lived in Toronto. My husband and his 2 brothers had a team. They coached with Davey Keon and Ron Ellis.
Ah, a
Legends.
couple of Leaf boys.
They were 15 years old.
Right on.
Yeah, so those guys were in my house every day.
That's wicked.
You live in Toronto? That's what happened.
You make it sound like it's nothing. That's like
It
a
was
huge
nothing.
thing.
There was
It's a
nothing.
huge
Like,
thing.
you didn't
For me, it
really-
is.
I was young, right? 'Cause I just got married, so I was just 19.
Yeah.
So I wasn't all into hockey. I didn't realize what I had.
Calling it.
Over here a bit.
I'm sure my husband knew. He was older
Calling
than
the
me.
game, guys.
They're calling the game.